Hi everyone! So parang bet ko lang magkwento, story time lang, ganun. So kung napanood niyo yung mga reels na na-upload ko na dito sa page nung mga nakaraan, siguro alam niyo na yung about sa groceries na natanggap namin from a certain good-hearted couple. Now, if you've been following my page for a while now, I'm sure you know that I am blessed with so many generous people. Like, I've met so many good-hearted people in my life. And I am truly, truly grateful for that. Like, this is not the first time that my kids receive gifts from the people we haven't really met personally yet. Pero ang kaibahan nga lang is most of them, we've known them for years. Like, nakakausap na namin sila for years. Like, literally for years. But this is the first time that we receive something from people we haven't really, like, had any previous interaction with. Like, it was so unexpected. So, if I remember it correctly, si Ma'am Shar, nag-message siya sa akin before. Well, I'm not supposed to say her full name. But remember that time na nag-post ako about sa art comics ni Aiki? So there, nag-message siya sa akin that time. Parang nag-inquire siya about that. But after that, hindi siya na-push through. And somehow, nakalimutan ko na din yung interaction na yun. If you can really call it an interaction. Kasi parang, she just asked something and I just answered. Ganun lang. Talagang ganun lang. Tas last week uli, nagulat ako. Nag-message siya sa akin. She said she wanted to give something to the boys. Like cash. Pang 7-Eleven daw. Pang snack. Ganun. So, syempre, I was already so grateful for that. That time, hindi ko pa alam na she's also from Iligan. So, I told the boys na yun nga, someone gave you like monetary gifts, pang 7-Eleven, pang snack, ganun. Pero sabi ko, tangin ko muna.
Agoy!
Parang ibabalik ko na lang sa kanila kapag na-release na yung fund ko sa PayPal. Now, the thing is, na-hold kasi yung fund ko sa PayPal. It wasn't much, but it was enough to, pull us through the next 1 to 2 weeks. So, I was really worried. I told the boys na, nako yare, wala tayong kakainin for the next 2 weeks. Ganun.
Naku po!
Pero ang amazing lang ni Lord because just a couple of days later, nakatanggap ulit ako ng message from them, which is truly unexpected. Parang they were like asking for our address kasi maibibigay daw sila. So I was really shocked because first, I wasn't expecting that they are from Iligan also. And of course, di ba kakabigay lang nila ng yung pang 7-Eleven ng mga bagets, tas parang maibibigay ulit, ganun. So like, I told the boys that someone's coming over, that someone's bringing them gifts. So ang nakakatawa pa is naglinis sila. Sabi na, kayo maglinis kayo, ganon. Kasi kakauwi lang namin ng bahay that time at sobrang gulo ng bahay. So, naglinis silang tatlo. Pero actually, hindi na sila pumarito sa bahay. They just dropped off the groceries. Nag-meet up lang kami sa labas. Sinama ko si Aiki. And I was really shocked. I was like overwhelmed na nahihiya na ewan. Because, bakit parang ang laki nung box? Like, I was expecting them to give like, I don't know, maybe a box or pizza or something. Mga ganun lang usually ba? But yeah, I met them there. They are young, lovely couple. As in, sobrang bata pa nila. And sobrang bilis lang nung pag-uusap namin. Tas, I don't know. I really didn't know what to say that time. Thank you lang ako ng thank you for their time, their effort, and of course for, going out of their way to share their blessings to us. By the way, she also mentioned that she's been following us since our vlogging chipmunks days. Nung sobrang liit pa ng mga bagets. So yeah, it was really heartwarming. So I pray that whatever they give us, it will come back to them in tenfold. And of course, I pray to the Lord na sana darating din yung araw na kami naman, like, it's gonna be our turn to pay it forward and be a blessing to others. So, ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching our video and see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye!